We will start in 5 to 10 minutes. Waiting for the participants to join. We will start at 4:35. Right now it's 4:25.
Hello everyone, very good evening. Thank you for joining the webinar. We'll just start in 1 or 2 minutes, waiting for some more participants to join. We have 25 participants till now, so more people are joining in 1 or 2 minutes. So we'll just start as soon as we have few more people. Thank you for your patience, friend. Thank you. So hello friends, very good evening and hope you all are doing well. Markets are little volatile now. So, but with regard to investment, I think things are pretty good. What do you say, friends? You can write on chat. How is investment going on? Is it okay? Are you making profits? Are you making profit? Are you ready to buy some stock at correction? Who all have bought some good quality stocks in this correction? Anybody? How many of you have bought good quality stocks at correction? Or you just simply entered in the portfolio which Value Stocks has recommended? No stocks. Mangesh bhai. Okay, no issue. Anybody who has invested in stock? Am I audible, friends? Am I audible? Am I audible? Yes. Thank you, Pankaj. Okay, yet to invest. Okay, thank you, Prabhakaran ji. So, friends, yeah. So, from where to start? So, this is Vikash. Those who have come for the first time, let me introduce myself. This is Vikash Kandoi. I have been working as a research analyst in value stocks from last 15 years and have seen up and down of the market, have seen stocks going, giving return of 1,000 to 2,000% and falling 90%, and have done technical analysis in the beginning of my career in this company. Then we jumped to fundamental analysis in 2013. And from there onward, it has worked very well for us and for our customers. So we continued this journey of fundamental analysis for our clients. Our priority is to give clients quality stocks so that they may not be uh, in confusion whether to buy or sell or what to do, so that they can just hold on their stocks without any fear. If market falls, you can buy more. If market rises, you can enjoy your profit. So the portfolio of your the fundamental portfolio of your stocks will always keep you happy. This is our motto. This is how, this is for what we started our journey, and luckily we are somewhere near to this goal or this vision, that we are providing a stock list, we are providing learnings of stock market, and people are enjoying despite of up and downs of the market. Those who are our old clients, who all agree to this fact, that markets are moving up and down, but value stocks customer clients have no fear. They know what to do next. In stock market, friends, let me give you one more understanding is, you should be ready to what to do next. हमें आगे क्या करना है उसके साथ रेडी रहना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. If we are not ready with what to do next, then we are in big mess in stock market. Who all agree to this fact? Who all agree? Yes. So friends, so let's start today's point. So friends, we have come out with stock list, okay, for all the equity strategies. We have around 20 equity strategies for which we have come out with all the stock list. These equity strategies are based on valuation, price momentum, and growth. To recap once again, let me show you what are the different system through which you can invest in stock market. क्या क्या ideas होते हैं? What are the different ideas that one should invest in stock market? And let me give you this big statement to you guys, friend, that every investor, every fund manager takes his position out of this idea. हर fund manager इसी idea की base होके investments करते हैं. So let us see what is that idea. We call it as value. हम लोग इसको value बुलाते हैं इस idea को. What is this idea all about? This idea is valuation, momentum, action or momentum, long term, using growth, and exit parameter. These are 5 strong pillars in which अगर आप इसको सही से utilize करेंगे, then you are going to make good money in your investment. Very good, decent money in your investment. Okay. And you may also get some surprises. So friends, let's start with long-term quality. इसमें नाम में ही quality है. What do you mean by long-term quality? So today's, yes, Rajpal ji, he is he is out of Calcutta. He had a sudden meeting, so very sorry for that, Rajpal ji. Yeah. So friends, so आज हम लोग कुछ teachings के बारे में बात करेंगे. After that, we'll be discussing about the portfolios. Okay. Now, first teachings. So friends, as I said you that long-term quality. So now what is long-term quality? See, when you are investing stock market, quality is the utmost thing which one need to be taken care of. What is that? How do you define quality in a stock? अगर कोई कंपनी में अगर क्वालिटी डिफाइन करनी है तो उसके लिए देयर आर ओनली 3 पैरामीटर्स व्हिच इज रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी, फ्री कैश फ्लो एंड डेट टू इक्विटी रेशियो. नाउ व्हाई डज दीस पैरामीटर्स कॉल्ड एज अ क्वालिटी? क्वालिटी इज डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड समवेयर टू द बैलेंस शीट ऑफ द कंपनी. ओके, अगर कंपनी में क्वालिटी मतलब बिहेवियर, बिहेवियर क्या है एक मैनेजमेंट का? ओके, behavior and intelligence. In stock market, quality means behavior and intelligence of a management जिसको आपने पैसा दिया है, whom you have given money, your hard earned money, to generate further wealth, to create further wealth on your money. Okay, so quality, अगर आप, so what happens friend, बहुत जन कंफ्यूज रहते हैं कि व्हाट टू इन्वेस्ट, हाउ टू इन्वेस्ट, वेयर टू इन्वेस्ट। मैं क्वालिटी में, मुझे बहुत कैपिटल नहीं खोना है स्टॉक मार्केट में। तो जो भी कस्टमर, जो भी क्लाइंट doesn't want to lose much in stock market, want a decent return without any big drawdown in market, they should look for quality parameters. I'm repeating once again, we have 85 people. For them, how many of you are looking to create a portfolio? How many of you are looking to create a portfolio or invest in stock market? How many of you? We have 85 people. If you can write on chat. Vivek ji, okay, only one. Pulkit Agarwal ji, second. Mukesh Shah, third. Okay. 4, 5. So friends, बहुत बार क्या होता है हमारी expectation. So many of you want to create your portfolio, great portfolio. Now what happened? कि बहुत बार every person has different requirement. Some like it's like a food. Somebody loves Chinese, somebody loves Indian, somebody loves घर का खाना and all. अब जो घर का खाना वाला है, मैं बहुत ही सुंदर, बहुत ही जायकेदार अगर मैं चाइनीज बना के उसको दे दूं, he will not enjoy. He will say what rubbish. And same with who want to eat Chinese and I make घर का खाना and all, I make and provide him. What will he say? Oh, I needed something very tasteful and this is like, I'm not enjoying it. In a similar way, friend, in stock market, you need to identify who you are. Okay. And for that, these 4 factors are utmost important. ये 4 factors सबसे ज्यादा important हो जाते हैं. आपको खुद के बारे में आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. आपको खुद के बारे में अगर आइडेंटिफाई करना है तो ये 4 फैक्टर सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाते हैं. ओके, पहले आ जाते हैं लॉन्ग टर्म क्वालिटी में. ये लॉन्ग टर्म क्वालिटी किन के लिए है? फॉर whom this long term quality has been made, for those who doesn't want to lose much in stock market. अभी much का मतलब क्या है? Who all are okay with 10% drawdown in portfolio? 100 रुपए इसका मैंने शेयर खरीदा था, वो 90 रुपए तक होता है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन उससे ज्यादा गिरता है तो मुझे स्ट्रेस है. How many of you are like this in this market? We have 91 people. I am 100% sure few of you will be like that, who are not confident of looking your stocks going below 10%. How many of you? Mangesh ji, okay. Anybody else? NK Yadav ji, great. Anybody else? 3 people. Only 3 people is like that. So friends, आप लोगों के लिए, you should always invest in company which has return on equity, which has free cash flow, positive and debt equity ratio. Now I will explain in brief कि how will this help you. Now friends, जब markets गिरते हैं, when market fall, you will see those companies which has huge debt burden, loan burden होता है जिनके ऊपर, वो लोग they tends to fall higher. Why? Because the pressure is huge on them. ठीक है, banks will, आप already debt में भरे हुए हैं, तो who is going to give you more debt? अगर if you have problem, which can solve, like this is Kalyuga and this is like all money, money and money. हम लोग business की बात कर रहे हैं. So a business problem can be solved by only one thing. What is that? There are other factors, which is the biggest factor of if you have any problem in your business, which is that biggest factor which will help a business to survive again. Let me see if you guys know this. Business में money, exactly. So friends, when you have any kind of trouble in business, money is the ultimate requirement that can start your business vehicle again. आपके business के पंचर हुए हुए पहिए को वापस से चालू कर सकता है. That is money. Okay. Now what happened when crisis comes? वो जब क्राइसिस आती है तो जो लोग के पास डेट ज्यादा होते हैं, जिन लोग के पास फ्री कैश फ्लोज नहीं होते. नाउ व्हाट इज फ्री कैश फ्लो? Few of you may not be knowing what is free cash flow. Free cash flow is the savings that company does out of its profit. मैं वापस बताता हूँ, जो कंपनी अपने प्रॉफिट से जो पैसे सेविंग्स करती है, स्पेंड नहीं करती है फर्नीचर में, मशीनरीज में, ऑफिस डेकोरेशन में, उसको सेव करती है उस फंड को, उसको फ्री कैश फ्लो कहते हैं इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज. ओके, सो इफ यू हैव सेविंग्स, if you don't have loans, now what will happen? In crisis you will fall less. Isiliye those who want to those who doesn't want your portfolio to go down by much more than 10-15%, they should look for these two factors. Okay, Mangesh ji and NK Yadav ji, Pawan ji, Ramesh ji, for you quality parameter is utmost important. Now what is return on equity? Return on equity is, एक तो आपने सेफगार्डिंग कर ली कि बाजार गिरते समय तो नहीं गिरेगा. अरे भाई साहब, मैं स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं तो मुझे रिटर्न भी तो चाहिए. सो अगर ये कॉम्बिनेशन हम लोग लगा दे, रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी प्लस लो डेट एंड पॉजिटिव फ्री कैश फ्लो का, ये तीन फैक्टर अगर लगा दें, देन वी विल गेट सम स्टॉक्स जो बढ़ते मार्केट में भी अच्छा रिटर्न देगा. सो इट्स अ ग्रेट कॉम्बिनेशन. इट्स एन अल्टीमेट कॉम्बिनेशन इन विच you will fall less and you will rise in a decent manner in your portfolio. Okay, so for them 15-16, so we suggest to invest in companies which has return equity greater than 15. So what happened, you will have a great stock list in which in falling market these stocks will fall very less, and in rising market these stocks will give you a decent return. Okay, so this is for those who only look for that segment कि भाई मुझे लॉस बड़ा नहीं देना है. So friends, in this we have created one strategy. हम लोगों ने ये strategy को टेस्ट किया. So after testing this strategy we found out some great stock जो falling market में बहुत कम गिरते हैं और rising market में they rise with the market and they give good return to the investors. Would you like to see Mangesh ji, NK Yadav ji, Pawan ji, Ramesh ji, for you guys, would you like to see some quality parameter strategies? Okay, so let me show you some quality parameter strategies. So we all know he is kind of a conservative investor and fundamental analyst, and he's an investor of all time. He's a great investor. We all know his name. Anybody would like to say his name? He is a fundamental analyst, a great investor, and making great money in stock market from last 50 years. More than 50 years in fact. कोई बताना चाहेगा उनका नाम? वॉरेन बफेट. एग्जैक्टली. नहीं सर, नॉट राकेश जी, वॉरेन बफेट. So friends, what we have done, we tested this strategy of Warren Buffett, जहां पे we use these quality parameters. ठीक है, हम लोगों ने quality parameter को यूज किया, and what we found I would like to show you. So we have created 20 equity strategies for different class of people, for different type of investors. Okay, and those who doesn't want कि उनका पोर्टफोलियो ज्यादा नीचे ना जाए फॉलिंग मार्केट में. ठीक है, how many of you are afraid, like बाजार बहुत बढ़ चुकी है, किन किन को डर लग रहा है? I have 101 people. If you can respond, how many of you are little bit fear that, oh my god, if market goes down from here again the same thing repeat, that happened in 2008, that happened in 2018. How many of you are little bit fearful? Yes, 5, 6, 7, many of you. So friends, for them, let me give you a clear-cut understanding of some of the strategies. So we have something known as Warren Buffett strategy, that is yearly, 1 year strategy, and this is a quality strategy. I will straight away show you the drawdowns of this strategy. पहले parameters दिखाते हैं. As I said you, a return on equity in last 5 years continuously these companies has created return on equity greater than 15. Now what is return on equity? मैंने जो पैसे दिए हैं कंपनी में, मैंने 100 रुपए कंपनी में दिए हैं, तो कंपनी उन 100 रुपए को बिजनेस में यूज करके it is making more than 15 rupees. That means end of the year that my 100 rupees is becoming how much? 115. तो मिनिमम अगर मैं यही पैसे 100 रुपए बैंक में दूंगा, तो if you guys can respond, great Manoj ji. So if you guys can respond, if I put 100 rupees on in bank, how much will I get after a year? How much I can get after a year? If I keep 5 rupees, but in stock market, अगर आप अच्छे बिजनेस में लगाते हैं, अच्छी कंपनी में लगाते हैं, तो they will create, a good management will create 15 rupees on your investment. That is what is return on equity. Okay, कंपनी हर साल प्रॉफिट में है. The EPS is there is a EPS, positive EPS from last 5 years. Okay, company has not made any losses in last 5 years. Okay, free cash flow of the company is positive in 2 years out of 5 years. Debt equity ratio, as I said you, the loan बहुत कम है, is 0.05. That means literally no loan company, कि उसके पास लोन ही नहीं है. They have not taken any debt from anywhere. Okay, then coming back to the straight away, I'm coming back to the drawdown. Now what is drawdown? जो मैंने कहा कि how many maximum loss you can see, maximum loss कितना देख सकते हैं अपने. So यहाँ पे drawdown है, एक point of time पे आपके investment पे कितना maximum loss हो सकता था, ये उसका definition है. So last 5 year का हम लोगों ने drawdown बनाया, in which we have also considered COVID as a drawdown. Okay, हालांकि which was COVID was once in a blue moon scenario, but still we kept it as a scenario. So you can see the maximum drawdown was 17% in COVID, and second maximum drawdown was 6%, and when index was down by 36%. So friends, ऐसा portfolio create हो सकता है जहां पे you will hardly have a pain in your portfolio. So these kind of strategies, these kind of parameter you will get. And because you have return on equity as a parameter, we also have QBS and AGS. These are those who are new to this webinar. I think they may not be knowing what is QBS and AGS, but these are also few fundamental parameters which we have created. We'll explain it earlier afterward. So you can see the kind of return you can create is 17%, 23% in 2017, 10%, 32% in 2018, 10, 13, minus 8, 18, 45 and 65. And now you will get a list of 15. So there are 15 stocks. Which is going to give you a great return. Okay, friends. So this strategy has a CAGR of 28%. This strategy, so those who are looking for safety as well as good return, they can look for this strategy. And you can also try with your own understanding using these quality parameters only. आप अगर खुद से ट्राई करना चाहते हैं तो you should look for these parameters only. यही आपके only these parameters will safeguard you in falling market. Okay. Now we also have one strategy. Is it okay, friend? Any query from Warren Buffett strategy? Any query from Warren Buffett strategy? Vinod ji, you do not require any chart. ठीक है, हम लोग we have already released this strategy names. Okay, 15 strategy. You just need to buy strategy names, buy the stocks जो हम लोगों ने दिया है. ये 15 stocks आपको buy करके एक साल के लिए you need to forget it. You don't need to do anything. Okay. Any query on Warren Buffett? Okay, Mangesh will show you how you can yourself decide or find these stocks. Yes, sir. Yes, Dinesh, I am there with you for more half an hour, so I will be explaining everything. So this is one, okay, where the risk is less, the return is moderate. Okay, so and in fact not moderate, it's pretty good, but you can consider it moderate because the way some risky strategies has given return, it is actually 20%. It is actually 28% annually because market are high. So yes, you don't need to be, you need to just follow him like a guru, and you can work Ramesh ji and invest as his principal. So it is not no more tough. No, you need to buy these 15 companies. You need to subscribe for the strategy and you can get this 15 companies. Mangesh ji, my fees is never high. Our fees is very less compared to the return and the study we provide to the clients. You just need to balance both the thing and you will just, then you can understand the price and everything. Mangesh, if you are serious with your investment, you will not find anything high. You will find it's very cheap and you can compare with other vendors and all. The way they provide the studies and all. Okay. So moving towards, I don't think there is any query with regard to Warren Buffett. No, Mangesh, it's not 60,000, it's 5,000 cost for any studies. So any query on Warren Buffett or should we go ahead? So yeah. So let us come back. So there's one more strategy, which is a quality strategy, which has potential to safeguard your capital when market falls, which is Pim Wembley. Okay. He is, have you heard about Canara Robeco? Canara Robeco. So the foreign company, the Germany company is Robeco. He is a fund manager in Robeco. So Canara Robeco is a tie-up in India, and in Germany it's Robeco which is working. So his strategy. So this is half-yearly strategies. This is an half-yearly strategy. And this strategy also has potential to safeguard your fund, safeguard your money in falling market. When market was down in COVID by 36%, it was down only by 23%. And the return you can see is 29% CAGR annually in last 5 years. You can see what he says. I have video of his. I don't have time right now. Otherwise, I would have shown you the video of Pim Wembley. So what he says buy boring companies that has momentum. Let me repeat this word again. He says his strategy as buying boring company which has got momentum. Now what is that? What does that mean? जो कंपनी लोगों से पूरी अलूफ हो जाती है, जो लोग सोचते हैं कि क्या तो बढ़ेगी, क्या करेगी, like जिसमें बीटा is 0.8, मतलब Markets जब बढ़ते हैं, they will rise. Market will rise by 10%, it will rise by 8%. Market will fall by 10%, it will fall by 10%, 8%. So it will fall less, but he has also used some of the parameters in these stocks कि जब market बढ़े तो वो ज्यादा बढ़े, लेकिन गिरे तो वो कम गिरे. So for that he has used return on equity, he has used price performance of last 1 year, he has used dividend yield, that means company should be dividend paying, and we have used QBS, quality business score, greater than 12 and alpha center score greater than 50. Okay, these are some momentum and fundamental parameters which we have used in the strategy, and the strategy is giving great return to the investors and creating great wealth for the investors, as well as at the same time it is also safeguarding their fund in falling market. So this is one strategy. There are 18 stock in this strategy. Okay, so this is one strategy. And now which is the next strategy? Let's see. So these are two strategies I know is clear cut long term quality strategies जिसमें आपका capital will be very much secured. ठीक है, बहुत ही ज्यादा आपका capital safeguard रहेगा. You will have drawdown of 15-20% maximum, and rising may you will rise in a decent way. Now coming back to some of the risky strategies, many people asked about risky strategies. So let us come to risky strategy. Before going to risky strategies, कौन से parameters होते हैं जो risky strategies को define करते हैं? Okay, now and why they are called as a risky strategies? Risky strategies comes in valuation. I'm repeating once again. Risky strategies comes in valuation. वैल्यूएशन में क्यों आते हैं रिस्की स्ट्रेटजीज? जब भी कोई कंपनी अंडर वैल्यूड हो जाती है. ओके, नाउ देयर इज सम रिस्क इन्वॉल्व्ड. आज इफ यू आर गेटिंग समथिंग एज चीप, तो कहीं ना कहीं उसमें कुछ ना कुछ इशू है. दैट इज व्हाई यू आर गेटिंग एट इट चीप. ओके, लाइक सडन, बट वो जो चीप मिल रहा है आपको, एंड सडनली यू सी देयर इज अ ग्रोथ इन सेल्स. सो whenever you are buying anything cheap, you should also look with the growth. So जब भी आप valuation, जब भी आप cheap कुछ buy कर रहे हैं, it's very important to invest cheap companies with growth. If you add growth with valuation, your return will suddenly grow faster. Okay, so what we have found कि if you want to create huge return stock market, great return, some of the great companies जो 100% बढ़े एक साल में, 2 साल में, so वैसी कंपनी अगर आपको चूज करनी है तो you need to be in valuation, but valuation comes with a risk, huge risk. Yes, Ramesh ji, there is everything risk. I think Ramesh ji, you are talking unnecessary. Please focus on study. Like this you will never be able to make money in stock market, very sorry to say. So please focus in this study. You're talking rubbish. Okay, everything is risky we are talking about. It's in fact, if you invest, if you are keeping money in a bank account, that is also risky. So there is everything, risk is involved. So why you are saying all these things, I don't know. So please be in study. So the risk, there is risk in everything, but you need to understand how much risk I'm ready to take. ठीक है, जिससे मुझे रिटर्न क्रिएट होगा. Now long term quality has, you will have 15-20% of risk, but when you are investing in valuation, your risk can be like COVID kind of scenario, your risk can be 30%, 20, more than 25%, 30, 40%. I will show you few results that we have tested. और जो भी हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, we are all talking with the testing that we have done, the artificial intelligence testing which we have done stocks, और उसके बाद आप लोग को बता रहे हैं. So we are talking something very intelligent which we have created for our general investors. It has took us 7 years to create such kind of database, create such kind of thing for customers, so that आप लोग stock market में you may not lose in stock market. You may enjoy the fall and the rise of the stock market. Okay. So now coming back to, so some of the risky strategies. So as I said, valuation strategies are mostly risky strategies, as well as they give you great return. They're risky because they are they're risky because when market falls, they falls more, and when market rises, they rises drastically. Okay, so that is the fun of investing in valuation strategies. Now let us show you. So we have come up with few risky strategies. Prakash Chawla ji has asked very good question. How do you determine current price is overvalued or fairly valued? See, looking at there are few factors, P ratio. See what we have done, Prakash Chawla ji. हम लोगों ने क्या किया? We have studied. I was part of that team when we were studying. So, and I was the head of research. So I did most of the research myself. So what happened, sir? We studied lots of great gurus, international gurus, जिन्होंने वैल्यूएशन निकालने का एक तरीका निकाला है. ओके, एक इंडस्ट्री में 5 कंपनी है जिन, and one company is doing huge sales, one company is doing huge profit, one company has very good cash flow. So you have different factors of to identify whether the company is overvalued or undervalued. You just need, so if company has so now, yes, coming to that entry exit, that is also a very good question. We'll be discussing my Mukesh ji. So if you have great sales, you only need company to grow in profits. So you have identified a same stream, a company has great sales, it is missing profits. Okay, so what he did, he took companies, there's a person known as Kenneth Fisher. He has this valuation parameter which is known as price to sales, कि उसके एक शेयर का प्राइस और उसके एक शेयर के सेल्स वैल्यू कितने. If it is below 1, he found this company as a cheap. Did you get it? Anybody who did not understand this? Price to sales. Anybody who did not understood this? Price to sales. So price to sales is what? कि आपका एक शेयर के अंडरस्टैंडिंग पे, let's see his strategy first. So एक शेयर के अंडरस्टैंडिंग पे आपने कितना सेल्स किया एक शेयर होल्डर के प्राइस पे, वैल्यू पे. So his name is Kenneth Fisher, and this was a hot cake strategy of last year which we have created. That's given great return to the investor. Small cap has risen 107%, and this strategy has given return of 144%. In fact, 145. But the issue with this strategy was during COVID, when market was down by 50%, this strategy was down by 42%. So while Warren Buffett was only down by 17% in the same period, but this strategy was down by 41%. So क्या होता है कि you get like yeah, it's an annual strategy, Manoj ji. So you become very perplexed, like, oh, I have lost a 40%, what to do now and all. But yes, when तो आपको पता रहता है if that this is my risky bet, and I would have to see if the market falls like this, I will have to see this kind of drawdown in the strategy. Now, if you have Warren Buffett with you, you know, okay, I have no issue, and I will see 15-20% as a fall, and then again it will go up. So what happened? You can see in that particular year, small cap was down by 24%, and the index was down by, and our strategy was down by 10%, and after that 107 and 144%. Right now we are recommending 11 stocks in this category, which is a risky strategy but a great return strategy. Now look at the parameters. market cap to sales. कि if it's less than 2, that means आज के दिन per share sales and per share price is not the double. मतलब अगर कंपनी का सेल्स 100 करोड़ का है एंड कंपनी के पास शेयर्स टोटल 100 करोड़ के, तो व्हाट इज द पर शेयर सेल्स? पर शेयर सेल्स कितना हुआ? इफ यू कैन आंसर. If company had sales of 100 crore and number of shares are 100, okay, total number of shares of the company is 100, so per share sales is how much? Per share sale is 1 rupee. Okay, अगर स्टॉक का प्राइस 1 रुपए में ट्रेड हो रहा है या 2 रुपए में ट्रेड हो रहा है, तो प्राइस टू सेल्स कितना हुआ? 2. So anything, so he talk about sales. What does he says? Mr. Kenneth Fisher says कि कोई भी कंपनी का सेल्स बहुत ज्यादा है और प्राइस कम है, that means it's a good valuation company. So he has a different understanding of finding this valuation stock. कि company he find through sales, he find cheap quality, cheap valuation strategy through sales. So he focuses more on sales. So sales, market cap to sales, company should have profit and company should have less debt equity ratio. And we have also used QBS and AGS over here, and we have made this strategy. Yes, 1 crore exactly. So friends, what happened? So what happened friends कि जब ऐसा create होता है, then what happened? You will get some good quality, good valuation stocks. But उसमें issue क्या आती है कभी-कभी कि उसके profits बहुत super नहीं. You are only looking on the sales parameter. Okay, so this strategy is a risky. Those who are looking for some risky strategies. Okay, so where you net profit margin. Now Prakash ji, it is net profit margin. So जब भी valuation, when you get great valuation and with that you need to have growth, it gives a great combination and you make great return in stocks. So this is one. Then we have also created one strategy which is known as Benjamin Graham, okay, which is also a valuation strategy, and it's similar to that. You must be knowing the guru of Warren Buffett. He is Benjamin Graham. It is his strategy. And this strategy has given return of 265% in last 5 years. And the COVID drawdown was 49%. So only problem with these strategies, the valuation strategy, which has great return, okay, like 107% return, and the strategy return was 196%. But during drawdown, you may see a huge drawdown in your portfolio, 49%. Okay, parameters used is 3-year EPS CAGR, positive, current ratio is greater than 1 and less than 5, debt equity ratio is less than 1, Graham valuation is 45, and QBS and AGS we have used. So these are some of the risky strategies, but has great return potential. Okay, now there are some growth strategies like so these growth strategies are mostly on sales growth and profit growth, because we all get sales growth and profit, sales and profit figures every quarter. So we have created some of the quarterly strategies, large cap, mid cap, small cap, multi cap strategies we have created. So these are those stocks जब भी क्वार्टर में सेल्स बहुत जंप होके आता है एंड एक पोटेंशियल बन जाता है कंपनी के लिए कि ये कंपनी अब राइज हो सकती है बिकॉज सेल्स हैज जंप्ड अ लॉट. कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा कंपनी में क्वार्टरली हुआ है which will create a great return for the investors. So this is that strategy. So we have created some of the quarterly strategies which is also giving good return. So those who are looking for some of the quarterly strategies, what do you mean by quarterly strategies? That means हर quarter आपको कुछ stocks को rebalancing करना होगा after you buy this strategy. So we have small cap low PE strategy, we have multi cap growth strategy, we have small cap price momentum strategy, top quality as per MF buying. These strategies are for those who want to churn their portfolio at least in a quarter, so that they are like, okay, I'm looking at those who have little time in 3 months with their portfolio. Okay, and now coming back to this again, and what is momentum strategy? Like after valuation, after long-term quality plays its role, after valuation plays its role, sometimes some stocks, कुछ stocks होते हैं जो they keep on moving up on their momentum. So we have also created some of the momentum strategies which is giving great return to the investors. So we have created mid cap price momentum, we have created small cap price momentum. So these are some of the strategies of small cap price momentum, and this we have used some small cap momentum parameters. Prakash ji, these are some of the details that I will not be able to share right now because it will take time, current ratio and all. So please join our 4-day program in which we teach these things in detail. Okay, and these are all experiences and learnings that we have done. So we have not done any kind of course or thing for fundamental, or in fact we teach fundamental analysis and price analysis to our clients. So you can join that, Prakash Chawla. So friends, this is one of the strategy which is small cap price momentum. So it will only look for companies which is running in momentum. Okay, and that is why we have taken 3-quarter AGS in this, and also 20-quarter AGS. What is AGS? What is AGS? Alpha Genter score. It check company for price performance with the index price performance and find out that whether the company is doing better than the index or not. Okay, so 20 last 5 साल का हम लोग तो चेक कर रहे हैं, और हम लोग ने लास्ट 3 महीने का चेक 3 महीने का चेक किया, 3 क्वार्टर का चेक किया, that means 9 month का चेक किया, and we have come up with some of the great stocks in this also, and you can see the kind of return it can create in a quarter. Okay, so further detailing of what is QBS and what is AGS can be done through one-to-one webinar, and this way basically on these 4 parameters you on these 4 factors, ये सारे factors use करके आप decide कर सकते हैं where to invest. If I'm a long-term mindset person, that okay, I don't want to lose much, I will go for long-term quality. We have Warren Buffett, and we also have Pim Wallet in this category. If we want some companies कि अगर मुझे बहुत बड़ा return चाहिए stock market में, then you should choose for valuation strategies. And if you want quarterly rebalancing, okay, I need quarterly rebalancing, the company which are growing in sales, company which are growing in profits, and then you can go for growth strategy, the quarterly strategies, large cap, mid cap, and small cap. Any queries? Vikash Agarwal ji, the course fees is 9,900. Okay, let me show you QBS. Those who actually have not known QBS. QBS is a proprietary defined thing which we have created. We call it as a quality business score. So let me show you what is QBS. Any company, anyone would like to see any particular company? Any company would you like to see quality business score? Or should I take HCL? Okay, let us take HCL. So friends, we have created score for all the 1600 plus companies or NSE listed companies. So this is how if you click quality business score of HCL Technology, So the score is 21 out of 22. This means it is a great company. Now, how we come to this score? There are only 4 fundamental factors that derive stock market. Stock market को ये 4 fundamental factor derive करते हैं. How did we came to this 4 fundamental factor is a big history. We studied lots and lots of books. हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे बुक स्टडी किए, बहुत सारे गुरु के आर्टिकल्स को स्टडी किया. Only 4 factors they were talking. Some of the other way. What were these 4 factors? These 4 factors, it's nowhere. Is sales growth, profit growth, a return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. I'm repeating once again. So हम लोगों ने, like you can say, when you search for your God, like what to do, meditation करें, इस भगवान को पूछो. It's like that. So in this way, we have done all these analysis. We did all the analysis, and we found that okay, these are the 4 trading factors with which investment factors. If anybody follows, if a general layman follow these 4 factors, he is going to make a good profit in stock market. At least he will stop losing money in stock market. Okay, so what is this? Sales growth, profit growth, positive free cash flow, and return on equity. I would request those who have joined for the first time, if you can write this particular 4 points on chat, this will help you in making a good decision in stock market. I would request everyone, those who have joined for the first time, anybody who has joined for the first time, anybody who has joined for the first time, or okay, 4 people has raised hand. So if you can write, Ramji, if you can write 4 factors: sales growth, profit growth, free cash flow positive, and return equity greater than 15, this will help you in your investment decision. जब भी आप investment करेंगे आपको, so you can write on chat, it will help you to keep these 4 factors in your mind as well as on your heart, जिससे आपका investment will become very, very good. Okay, so what we have done, हम लोगों ने क्या किया, अगर जैसे HCL Tech, okay, let us go back. So हम लोगों ने 5 साल का analysis within 1 minute इसके through कर दिया. So what is this? What are these analysis? One is sales growth. So in 2016-17, that means 5 years ago, this HCL Tech company has shown sales growth of 29%. EPS growth was 15%, and free cash flow was positive 4,000 crore. So we gave it a score of 1. Or return equity, because it was greater than 15, we again gave it a score of 1. So the total score become 4. Because sales growth was positive, EPS growth was positive, free cash flow was positive, and return equity was greater than 15, we gave it a score of 4. Similarly, in 2017-18, this company had again showed a great growth and good savings behavior, and is also given benefit to the investors by creating a CAGR of 25%. So we gave it a score of 4. Similarly, 2018-19, we gave it a score of 4, and again 4, again 4. This time, somehow the EPS of the company has gone down by 65%. Rest all thing is okay. So बहुत बार क्या होता है कि suddenly हो सकता है, we need to check whether there is any miscellaneous item or extraordinary item or exceptional item in this company or not. So the EPS is a negative, so we give it a score of 0. Otherwise, this stock is, so this is a great company to invest in. Okay, so anybody who is looking for good fundamental stock, then yes, HCL Tech is one, looking at his history. Okay, thank you, Ramji. And thank you, Mangesh. So this will help. So I have few more companies names, so I will quickly show you about some of the more companies. Let's take CDSL, or let's take Timken. It's a small company. So let's take Timken, Tata Timken. If you click on Tata Timken, so ऐसे जो लोग भी हैं जिनको अपने कंपनी के, it's become very easy now कि अगर कोई कंपनी आपको चेक करना है, so it's a moderate company, it's not a great company, so you cannot expect much from this company. Maybe because metal is going up, so you may be finding that the stock is making newer highs and making great, giving great price performance, but still there's a risk involved in this company. Looking at his history, तो आपको within a glance 5 साल का हिस्ट्री QBS से पता चल जाता है, ठीक है? So if you look at 16-17, it was very good. In 17-18, it made all the mess. ये फ्री कैश फ्लो, सेविंग्स खराब हो गए, इसके रिटर्न्स खराब हो गए, एंड वन. देन अगेन 18-19 में कंपनी ने ट्राई किया एट स्कोर ऑफ 3, 19-20 में स्कोर ऑफ 3, अगेन 20-21 में स्कोर ऑफ 1. सेल्स वाज डाउन, प्रॉफिट्स वर डाउन, फ्री कैश फ्लो वाज समहाउ पॉजिटिव, return equity was below 15. This time in quarterly, they have say EPS growth of negative EPS growth, but sales was okay. So it's a moderate company. So we cannot expect much from Tata Timken. Sales profit growth is positive is enough, Shiv Shankar ji. अगर कोई कंपनी सेल्स को पॉजिटिव भी कर ले, it's enough for them, for their company to survive or to give great return to the investors. So positive is that what we are looking for. At least degrowth now. Okay. Yeah, Prakash Chawla ji is asking if data is not so good. So Prakash Chawla ji, for this I would quote a very good Shahrukh Khan का एक dialogue बोलूँगा. Picture अभी बाकी है. So friends, let me show you Tata Timken. Okay, so everything is not price. Everything is not price. You need to understand कि if I don't know whether Prakash Chawla ji, how from last how many years are you investing or trading in stock market? If you don't mind, Prakash Chawla ji. 4 years, okay, it's very short. So I have been in stock market from last 15 years. So Prakash Chawla ji, I have seen lots and lots of ups and downs. कोई stocks 15 साल पहले 100 रुपए में ट्रेड कर रहा था, and after 15 years, it from 40 rupees, it's again started moving up and become 100 rupees. Is that company is good? Or the company which was trading at 100 rupees 15 years back, and now it has become 2000, or recently it has given correction, it has become 1600, 1500, and 1600 or 1500. So which is a good company as per you, Prakash Chawla? एक 100 रुपए 15 साल पहले ट्रेड करती थी कंपनी, जो गिर के 40 रुपए हो गई और आज 40 रुपए से 100 रुपए हो रही. So the company has given how much return? 100% return. और एक कंपनी है जिसने 15 yes या मनोज जी, जिसने 15 years back that has 100 rupees cost, जिसका प्राइस 100 rupees था, आज 2000 गई थी और 1500 रुपए आई है और वापस से बढ़ना शुरू कर रही. So this is what is required to understand. Okay. However, Tata Timken is almost not like that. It is a wealth creator, ultimate wealth creator, I can see. So you can see why there is a risk in this stock. But yes, overall, I can see, I have not seen earlier the price of the Tata Steel or chart of the Tata Timken, but you can see from 1000 rupees it becomes 500. But overall, this company has created wealth. But still, we consider it as a risk because kahin na kahin sales or profit is not giving that much of great return. So ऐसी कंपनी में क्या होता है कि if it falls, ये कहीं ना कहीं एक रेंज में ही, लाइक 15 ईयर्स, अगर आप साल 2 साल के लिए देखेंगे तो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा, बट अगर लॉन्गर पीरियड के लिए देखेंगे तो आप देखेंगे, लाइक आई विल शो यू फॉर टाटा स्टील ऑल्सो, like right, Tata Steel is moving up right now, so you may call it as a great company, but it is not a great company. If you go back 10 years 15 years, वो उस समय भी 1100 रुपए था, 1100 रुपए से ये 150 रुपए आया, और 150 रुपए से it is again becoming 1100 रुपया. So what happened, there is a chance that वो कंपनी 1100 रुपए से वापस से 150-200 रुपए आ जाए अगर मार्केट्स पूरा खराब हो तो. These we call as a high beta stocks. Okay, little commodity based stocks. अभी commodity prices बढ़ रहे हैं, कर रहे हैं, तो क्या होता है, ये सब stocks एक बार चल जाते हैं and they give you return in spite of not having great fundamentals. But जैसे ही commodity prices cool off होंगे, these stocks will again come back to the same price. Okay, however Tata Timken has, अगर मैं बात करूं, कभी भी लोगों ने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया होगा any year, they are in profit, so it's okay, but still हम लोग की जो एनालिसिस है, जो 4 फैक्टर्स है, उसके बेसिस पे इट्स अ मॉडरेट कंपनी. आप ग्रेट रिटर्न इस पे, लाइक इन फॉलिंग मार्केट, what is moderate company and what is great company, why we call it as a moderate and great, इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है? The difference is that कि जब भी कंपनी मार्केट्स मॉडरेट और ग्रेट कंपनी में डिफरेंस इज कि ग्रेट कंपनी फॉलिंग मार्केट में भी गिरेगी तो लास्ट टाइम के जो हाई को क्रॉस करके ऊपर चली जाएगी, लाइक दैट हैज हैपेंड इन टाटा टिमकेन. आई एम नॉट इग्नोरिंग दैट. ओके, देयर वाज अ फॉल इन टाटा टिमकेन, देन अगेन इट रोज अप and again it went down, and now it has broken all the prices and it has gone up. But so great company की यही होता है, like I will show you for HDFC, Britannia, you can look for any such kind of companies. Let's go for HDFC Bank. So if you look at HDFC Bank, ये भी गिरी है, but if you see 2016 में it was 400, 900, so it has always been a wealth creator. ये fall भी हुआ, if you don't take stress, if you just keep on your stocks, you are at great return. So the CAGR return, if you ignore the fall and rise, the CAGR return should be at least 15-20% in a particular stock. ये वैसी कंपनी है, और वो कंपनी कौन सी होती है जो रिटर्न देती है आपको 15-20% एनुअली in spite of a fall or anything, any crisis and all. ये कंपनियां होती हैं जिसमें सेल्स ग्रोथ है, जिसमें प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ है, जिसमें पॉजिटिव फ्री कैश फ्लो है और रिटर्न इक्विटी ग्रेटर देन 15 है. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर नहीं है तो you will not find a clean up and up scenario, गिरा फिर up and up scenario. So you will not find that. So that is a difference between moderate and great company. Great company, because of its sales, because of its profit, it will keep on going up. Stress नहीं रहेगा. Okay. Did you understood, Prakash Chawla ji? That is what I'm explaining about Tata Timken. You can see the videos. Ramji talk to Pratik and take the video. When to exit high beta stock, or should one book? You should exit high beta stocks. कभी भी उसके sales और profit growth एक साथ negative आते हैं, then you should exit. अभिषेक बदोला जी, अगर profits खराब आते हैं अगर high beta stocks के, then please exit those stocks. Sales और profit. अगर नेगेटिव आ गए प्रॉफिट्स, देन तो उससे राम राम कर लीजिए सर. It will take time, sir, explaining IDFC Bank and all. So please forgive. You can take now. You guys must be having too many queries. कि मैं कैसे, I want to study much. I want to learn more about few companies, my personal companies, because we have 72 people right now. अगर कोई आप लोग 5 स्टॉक भी देने लगे और एक स्टॉक भी दिया तो 72 stocks I need to check, which will take huge time, and we are now running out of time. So I will just give you one way where you can connect to us is through one-to-one webinar. My colleague will help you. Yes, Prakash Chawla ji, share price falls before result. अगर ऐसा होता है, if you are getting good return in your prices, stock price, then you can exit. और इसमें भी आप एक चीज कर सकते हैं, अगर आपकी कंपनी का रिटर्न इक्विटी 15-20 है, then you should not worry. एक पर्टिकुलर क्वार्टर का सेल्स या प्रॉफिट खराब आएगा एंड नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर फिर अच्छा हो जाएगा. रिटर्न इक्विटी आपके स्टॉक्स को बांधे रखता है, आपके स्टॉक्स के प्राइस को बांधे रखता है. फ्री कैश फ्लो आपके स्टॉक्स के प्राइस को बांधे रखता है. तो इफ यू आर डूइंग इट साउंड्स लाइक यू आर इन टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, इफ यू आर डूइंग टेक्निकल एनालिसिस और आपको कुछ अच्छे स्टॉक्स खोजने हैं बाई के लिए कि मैं उसको करेक्शन पे बाई करूं, then you should look for some companies which has potential to create profit and has good return equity and free cash flow. तो अगर you are getting some stock before correction before result and return equity is very good and free cash flow is very good, then you can actually invest before result. You can take that risk. Okay, it would be a risky bet, but you can take that risk because return equity is very good. So the chances are higher. It's because of market tendency the stock is falling, and you will find because see, if a management can create 15% return on equity and can keep savings, friends, मैं simple बोल रहा हूँ, अगर आप लोग, I think many of you must be a businessman over here. अगर आप में सेविंग्स हैबिट है, आप अगर सेव करना जानते हो पैसे और आप पैसे से पैसे बनाना जानते हो 15-17% एक्स्ट्रा, सो आप अगर आपने कोई बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट भी कर दिया तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, उस इंटेलिजेंस को तो वहां भी यूज करेंगे आप. सो देयर इज अ हाई चांस यू विल मेक प्रॉफिट. बट क्या होता है कि एक जानबूझ के एक एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट किया जाता है उन कंपनियों के साथ कि okay, it's falling before the result and all, but it's not happen like that, and you will see ultimately these stocks goes up. Okay, Sudarshan Sahu ji, you can get the stocks name in one-to-one webinar. I'm just sending once again. So this is one-to-one webinar. I will also show you. So this is the link of one-to-one webinar I have sent on the chat. आप अपना नाम दे दीजिए, मोबाइल नंबर, ईमेल आईडी और ये कुछ डिटेल्स भर दीजिए, एंड यू कैन शेड्यूल दिस एंड यू विल गेट योर 5 कंपनीज. जो भी आपके 5 कंपनीज आपके पास हैं, 5-10 कंपनी जितने भी हैं, उसमें से किन्हीं 5 कंपनियों के डिटेल मेरे फ्रेंड, मेरे कलीग आपको हेल्प करेंगे टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कैसी कंपनियां हैं वो, हाउ व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कंपनी इज दिस, whether you should keep this, what is the risk in this. Because see friends, markets is now already Fed has given signal, those who understand international markets and all, for them already Fed has given a signal that there will be rising interest rate in 2023. So somewhere markets ho sakta hai become little volatile. We are seeing that now कि already markets volatile हो चुके हैं और अच्छी कंपनियों में रहना ही एक सोल्यूशन है, एक प्रॉपर स्ट्रेटजी से इन्वेस्ट करना ही एक सोल्यूशन है इन स्टॉक मार्केट राइट नाउ. सो अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक वो नहीं किया है तो इट्स योर टाइम, इट्स योर रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ योर पोर्टफोलियो टू बी इन गुड स्टॉक्स, जिससे अगर मार्केट्स में कुछ भी वॉलेटिलिटी हो, दोज हु हैव अर्न्ड, खास करके जिन्होंने फर्स्ट टाइम 2 साल पहले स्टॉक मार्केट में एंट्री ली है और फर्स्ट टाइम स्टॉक मार्केट से बहुत कमाया है, then please listen to those people, those have lost in 2008 fall, 2018 fall, जिन्होंने पैसे खोए, उनसे डिस्कस कर लीजिए. So markets खाली पैसे देता नहीं है, it's also take away from you. The only way you can hold to your equity is investing in great quality stocks. खराब हुआ quality, remove it. Keep the thing which has good quality, which has sales growth, which has profit growth, which has positive free cash flow and return equity greater than 15. Okay, and now I have 2 more queries. Let's see what is that. Yeah, it is of good valuation, ma'am. So Tanuj Agarwal. So I want to know how much percent growth is in your portfolio. Yeah, it is little personal, but it's okay, no issue. We are, because see, we are not allowed, being a research analyst and working for the clients, so we are not allowed to invest much. But yes, we can do long-term investment. So we are doing long-term investment. We are also a portfolio managers, so we are doing PMSs. Yes, Amrita ji. So we are doing PMSs also, and the CAGR return is 30% right now. So we are investing from last 5 years, and I have also a portfolio in which I'm making 25-30% CAGR. So friend, you can double your money in just 3 years, and with with great confidence. This is what we teach our clients. It's not important आप next day अपना पैसे double कर सकते हो buying derivatives and all. It's so simple, but you will be correct. It would be difficult, and you will be in like so much of stress until unless you reach your goal. But if you want peaceful investment and great return, similarly a decent return, 30%, doubling your money in 3 years. This is what we say. However, people has doubled with us in 2 years, 2.5 years, but still not giving that much of great hope. Let's keep it very simple with our strategies. With all our strategies, anybody who is with us for last 5 years and investing with us, investing in our idea, they are creating 25-30% CAGR. So that is what our goal is, and that too with a piece, huh? That too with a piece. So every quarter we are providing quality stocks and that you can invest. So friends, I will highly recommend you guys. We have 69 people right now. I will request everyone, those who have not taken any strategies, Amartya ji, I will just provide you my mobile number. You can call me and we can discuss. You can call me tomorrow after 3:30. So Amartya ji, we can discuss about this. Okay, so friends, so इससे आप अपना अच्छा पोर्टफोलियो क्रिएट कर सकते हैं and can be a part of that 25-30% CAGR journey. That's all, friends. Hope you like the session. Do not forget that 4 fundamental factors: sales growth, profit growth, return on equity getting 15, and positive free cash flow. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining this webinar. And please join one-to-one webinars for any clarification, or if you want to purchase any strategies, if you want to invest in any strategies and everything. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining this webinar. Thank you. Bye.